Hello guys, today I'm going to be reviewing a iPad 2 case with a keyboard. So the case here, it's a baby blue. As you can see, you have the keyboard charger goes there, and on the other side the charger and speaker will go there. So you open it up, and then you have the keyboard, which has all the keys, the numerals, arrows, and punctuation. Here you have the main thing where you would put your iPad here. This case, it's good, but I found one problem. When you plug in headphones, it doesn't go in all the way and it makes glitchy noises, so that's the only downside to it. But you need to charge it, so there's the side, that there, and then that there. So overall, the case is a very good one, and you can get these in different colours like red, black, purple, pink, brown, and some other ones. So here you have the Bluetooth connector, charge, caps lock, and Bluetooth. And yeah, so the case is a good one, so you can stand it like that. Closed looks like this. And then you can have it like that, but like if you want to type it, you have to like that, and then you have to face that like portrait. It wouldn't be that good. So overall, the case is a really nice one. So hope you guys like this review. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.